Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete repost on TikTok. So let's get started. Begin by opening your TikTok application. Then tap on your profile icon. Then select the repost button. Now select the video that you would like to delete. Tap on it. Then tap on the share icon. Now tap on remove repost option. And this is how you can delete repost on TikTok. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.